Hello, today I'll be unboxing a Civic 10th generation sequential side markers and I'll be showing you how to install it. So first, let's open the box. I cut it the tape so it will be easy to open. So let's check out what's included in the package. So here it is, two sequential side markers, left side and right side, two extension cables and two clamps that will be used on the turn signal light. So let's check out the side markers. So here it is. This wire will be connected to the side marker wire and this wire to the turn signal light wire. This extension cable will be plugged here to the turn signal light wire, and this clamp will be clamped to the headlight turn signal light wire. For me, this side marker is very nice because it has a sequential turn signal light which the stock side marker does not have, and it is 2400 lumens. It is bright enough to see on the street. So this is a very nice side marker, so what can I say? And now let's proceed to the installation. Okay, let's proceed to the installation. First, the hood must be open. Then I will remove the 3 screws in the front bumper. So here's the 3 screws. Second one, and the third one. Then I will remove the stock side marker. So here's how to remove it. There's a pin here, you need to push it. Okay, then unplug it. Unplug. So that's how you remove a side marker. Then you will unplug the plug in the lower headlight section. So here it is. Yeah, bear for a moment. Now that the plug is removed, we will crimp a wire with the 3 wires on it, on the middle. That's the turn signal light. Then you need to twist this to remove the bulb. Now you need to pull this bulb to be installed on the sequential side markers. So I will pull this. Then this socket in, I will put it in the sequential side marker. The socket is installed. You will twist it in like this. is it. This is what is supposed to be. Then I will install it on the side of my car. After crimping the wire to the turn signal light wire, I will plug it again. Then I will insert the sequential side marker, both sides. Then let's try it. Now I will screw the side of the bumper again, all 6 of them. So here's 1, 2, 2nd screw, and the 3rd screw. We'll tighten it. That's enough. That's enough. Here's the last one. That's enough for the left side. Let's go to the right side. One, two. Oh shit. Four, 5, and the sixth screw. Now I will tighten it. That's enough. That's enough. And the last screw. That's enough. That's all the screws. Let's try it now. Now, let's try the sequential side markers. By the way, I taped the excess wire so it will look neat. Now, let's try it. Let's start with the park light. This is left side. Now, This is what 2400 lumens supposed to look like. The right side. It's neat. Let's try the hazard. Right side. Left side. Now, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.